It's time for the weekly unbox. This week, it's all about gifts for the cook. Not me, the cook in your life. All right, let's get going. We're gonna start right down here. What could it be? What could it be? What could it be? Ooh, Temptations. Okay, I'm here. I'm with you. I love Temptations. This is a set of 4 of something. Oh, adorable. All right. I would put a fruitcake in here. How about that? My dad actually thought it would be a really good idea one Christmas for he and I to make fruitcake. It ended up looking like a doorstop, but we had a lot of fun. Cute. All right, so you've got the little covers on there, and Temptations is always going to be your bakeware, and then you can put this in the fridge, and then it's so pretty that you can serve in this too. So maybe you're making a little bread or a cake. That's adorable for the cook. Aren't those cute? Cute snowman. Oh, look at the little penguin on his belly. Okay, so that's from Temptations. So at my house at Christmas time, we go like this first. Sounds breakable. Are you a neat unwrapper or a messy unwrapper? No judgment, just curious. Maybe I'm a little bit of both. Popcorn? Heck yeah. All right. Who knew I'd get to come to work and get presents? Oh, it's totally a popcorn maker. Okay, so I actually know what to do with this, I think. You put the seeds here. No, not gonna happen? No, you put the butter. You put the butter here. I assume it melts onto the popcorn that's in here. Movie night. Okay. That's fun. That's really fun. I feel like it's my birthday or something. Although, no, I don't really get this many presents for my birthday. Okay, have them, love them. Totally love these. Lock and lock, absolute necessity in the kitchen, whether or not you cook or not. So I don't cook a lot, but I do kind of meal prep, if that makes sense. So I just put like little salads in one, I put fruit salad in another, and I take them to work. And I love them because of how secure. Oh, so secure. Wow, look at that. Okay, super secure. So when you put your little dish in there, whatever it is, lock it, throw it in your handbag, and you know that whether it's liquid or whatever, it's not gonna spill out into your purse, so that's awesome. Cute handles too. Red and green, okay. You know what, I have an idea. Hostess gift, maybe you fill these with cookies and then give. That's nice, that'd be really nice. I would like to receive some cookies. The big one. At my family Christmas, we save the big one till the very end. So just because it's big, do you think it's the best one? Curious. Oh, it's a lift. Okay. Oh, it is a good one. Oh, wow. Okay, this one is really cool. KitchenAid mixer. Right? Yes. I one time was asked what to do with a KitchenAid mixer. And I was like, well, obviously you bake cookies with a KitchenAid mixer. I know it does a lot more than that, but I personally would make cookies with a KitchenAid mixer. I will tell you though that this, out of my friend group, is one of the most requested items on a registry for a new bride because it is an absolute staple in the kitchen, and this is beautiful. This green is gorgeous. What a statement piece in your kitchen. For the cook, obviously she's using it. For me, I just think it looks fabulous. All right, so if you want to check out more, check out our gift guide where you can see this and so much more for the holiday season.